Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get start the video without wasting your time. So guys, how to get back Apple ID password on iPhone, iPad, iOS updated. So guys, let's get started the video without wasting your time. First of all, open settings on your iPhone and then tap on Apple ID profile. Click here, now tap on sign in. After that, tap on forget your password. Now we can see as new appear on screen, then asking enter your email address or phone number that you use with your account to continue and recovering. Now tap your email address. Now tap on continue. After that, his new appear on screen is asking enter your trusted phone number to continue. Tap here your trusted phone number. Tap on continue. Now we can see is asking send to code your trusted phone number, you set your password with a verification code sent to your trusted phone number. Now tap on send code. And then here asking verification code, please enter the verification code sent to your phone number. Now tap it. Now tap here. Now tap it. Now we can see it's verifying and waiting few seconds. After it will appear on screen on your phone. And then here enter passcode your iPhone. Tap it. So guys, waiting few seconds after his new appear on screen on your phone. Now enter in new password. Now tap here new password. Re-enter your passcode. Tap on continue. Now you can see your password has been changed from your phone and use new password when sign into your account. Then tap done. Now and sign in iCloud on my phone. So waiting few seconds. Enter iPhone passcode. Wait a few seconds. Now enter your iPhone. So guys, wait a few seconds. So guys, close the page and remove the page from your phone and then open settings. And now we can see it's signing my iCloud. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.